Now in this video I'm going to take you to the official website of Numpy, and we will try to understand how to use all function of Numpy from official website. So numpy.org is the official website of Numpy, but there are a lot of information given when you come on this website, and everything is not useful to us. So the simple logic is we actually go to the quick start kind of tutorial, and I'm going to provide you the link for that. So I recommend you to copy the link from here. You can pause the video and you can just take a screen capture of it. So this is a very important link of Numpy official website. Now why it is important? Because when you come here, all basic operations to advanced operation with Numpy has been given with example. You just click any one of this. Suppose I'm clicking on basic, so it will take me here, and I'm coming down, and with the example everything is given. So I will just copy paste this first. Copy, I will go to my Jupyter notebook. I will just paste it and run. So first command is clear. So I'm importing numpy as np. Now next you can take directly creating an array from it. Okay, you just copy paste into this and you run it. You can check the value of a. So a matrix has been created. Now all possible operations, advanced operations with examples and explanation it is given. So as and when you want to use any special functions of Numpy, you can directly come to the official website and you can just click. Like suppose I want to learn the linear algebra, you come down here, use any example of a linear algebra, just copy paste it and run it. So you need to copy this, paste into your notebook or Python ideally and run it. So this way you can learn all possible functions which are available with Numpy using the official website of Numpy.